Now, last time I did a fireworks show here, I was over on that side of the camper, and I had to go back and forth several times to make loading and unloading and whatever, bring it at the end of the day. But today, I am over here. Why? Because there's a dock. Unbelievable. There's a dock. I get to shoot off of that. I'll be down there in a minute. I will be shooting the show with that camera. It's got the widest angle lens I've got in a high quality video. I got GoPros and stuff like that, but that one gives good audio. You see the microphone there. See the mic. All right, let's go down. Take a look. A little walk. I brought everything down. Started setting things up. I don't have to walk along shore much. But look. Yeah, that box full. Things there. I've got strobe and willow shells from Sky Titan over there. Got a rocket volley, and that's already set up, but I still need to put the matched ones in there, which are those ready to go. Those things are Gangs of New York. They're the 5 color changing stars. Anyway, finale's going to be there. Can't see it from here. I'll move over. Down there, 1.5s, and then in there, a 5-inch Canon boom, and then that's going to be it for the finale. Nothing big. I used rockets before to the end of the finale, but I'll be okay. And then there's that, and that over there is where the shells are. And then my toolkit. So some other stuff, and I think I'll be shooting the case from here. Anyway, that dog. Thing loves the water too much. Oh, hey. All right, here we are. Just as the sun is setting, I got the last zip ties on my finale. We got a mix of Sky Titan and Extreme by Windmill. For the finale, here we get some ball shells, generic ball shells, and Whistling Busters. I don't know if they're legit whistling. I don't know if they're legit whistling or not. They feel pretty hard, but they almost sound like they're empty in here, so it just might. It doesn't matter. It's going to be a whistle in color, and then another one of these. I've got the Whistling Busters in the middle, and then at the end, I've got 6 of the regular filler shells, puke shells. And I got 1.5s there, and then a 5-inch, a 5-inch salute. Well, it's 1.75, but you know what I mean. My kit. I've got a generic thing here. Hopefully that'll be stable enough. I've got those poked in the ground pretty well. And the last shell coming out of that one. The first shell actually coming out of that one. Gangs of New York. here. That's a safety on there. Quick match. And then over here, I got my other shells. Safety boxes over there. My start. Oh, I still got to marry this up. Then I just got to do a patch from here to here to my racing. That's it. Get this out of here. All right, show you the cakes that I got. A variety of things in here. I'm gonna go through all that right now, just to show you. Over here. And some other. Got one underneath there too. Alright. Just cover it up. Feel the dew already on these lids. The dew has fallen. Let's turn this off. Alright, okay. Here's where I got it. On everything, on all my marriages, I'm doing zip tie and tape. Belts and suspenders, guys. Belts and suspenders. Taping an X over where the fuse comes into that. I don't know how fast this white fast fuse is, but if it, I'm just protecting it. And it's also giving a good contained pacifier. So I'll do it that way. And everything else is also belts and suspenders. Tape and tie wrap. Anyway, ready to shoot. Ready to take a break and then get ready to shoot.